Assalamualaikum, my name is Maisarah binti Rameli and my metric number is A21A2872. The issue is about the merger disruption. US cigarette and tobacco multinational Philip Morris has left merger talks with vaping major Altria Group. The move comes after recent crackdowns on regulations surrounding e-cigarette device. The company will instead focus on launching the tobacco heating product IQOS in the US. More details of the given issue. Plan to reunite Big Tobacco in the merger between Altria and Philip Morris International PMI were cancelled on Wednesday as the industry faced its greatest regulatory threat in decades as the Food and Drug Administration FDA mulls banning flavored e-cigarette. The $200 billion merger had been thrown into uncertainty after the recent FDA announcement, which raised the prospect of further federal and state regulation of vaping. Both companies has invested in e-cigarettes to try and offset declining sales of traditional cigarettes. Analysts had predicted that a US flavored e-cigarette ban would mean that the merger had become more important than ever for Altria, who needed PMI's global access to distribute JUUL to the developed markets, all of which have varying rules and regulations. Philip Morris International CEO said after much deliberation, the companies have agreed to focus on launching IQOS in the US as part of their mutual interest to achieve a smoke-free future. Next, understanding from the issue. The decision of Philip Morris to exit merger discussions with Altria Group can be attributed to various factors, primarily the evolving regulatory landscape surrounding e-cigarette device. This move is significant, especially considering the increased examination and regulatory challenges faced by the vaping industry, including concerns about the use of e-cigarettes among youth and health-related issues associated with vaping. Philip Morris' shift in focus towards launching IQOS, the tobacco heating product in the US, aligns with their strategy to adapt to changing regulations and consumer preference. IQOS is a device that heats tobacco rather than burning it, aiming to provide a potentially less harmful alternative to traditional cigarettes. By redirecting its efforts towards IQOS, Philip Morris appears to be positioning itself within the evolving market of reduced-risk products, where there might be more acceptance or fewer regulatory hurdles compared to traditional vaping products. This decision showcased the sensitivity of the tobacco and vaping industry to regulatory changes and how companies within this sector are aiming to navigate these challenges while seeking new avenues for growth and product innovation. Next, related between the issue and the concept or theory in strategic global retailing. Based on the issue, both Philip Morris and Altria Group should consider the global marketing strategy, which are segmentation, targeting, and positioning. Segmentation, targeting, and positioning are fundamental concepts in marketing strategy that help businesses understand and cater to their target audience effectively. Segmentation, it allows both companies to identify and understand diverse customer groups with specific needs, preferences, and behaviors. By recognizing this difference, they can tailor their marketing efforts, products, and service to better meet the unique requirements of each segment. Targeting. Targeting helps in concentrating resources efficiently. Instead of trying to appeal to the entire market, which can be costly and less effective, both companies can concentrate their efforts on the most promising segments. This leads to better utilization of marketing resources and increased chances of success by addressing the needs of a more receptive audience. Positioning. Effective positioning sets a brand apart from competitors and highlights its unique value proposition. It helps consumers understand why they should choose a particular brand over others in the market. Strong positioning enhances brand loyalty, customer satisfaction, and ultimately drives purchase decisions. Lastly, learning from the issue and how I can apply it in the Malaysian retail industry. What I can learn from this issue is that we must consider the marketing strategy, which are segmentation, targeting, and positioning, before we launch any products. By considering this strategy, company may maximize their efficiency. By focusing on specific segments and tailoring marketing efforts, companies can maximize the effectiveness of their strategies and resources. Besides that, it can enhance customer satisfaction. Understanding different segments allows companies to meet diverse customer needs more precisely, leading to higher satisfaction levels. Lastly, it can boost competitiveness. By identifying unique positioning strategies, companies can differentiate themselves from competitors, making their offerings more appealing to their target audience. That's all. Thank you.